Hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I am very excited to show you this trick on how you can cast off and how you can bind off all the knitted stitches. This kind of binding off is with a crochet hook and it will make your ribbing really elastic. So it is very exciting for me to show you because it is also new for me. So yeah, this is a sweater that I knitted for my son and I am now at the end ribbing, at the bottom ribbing, and I am going to bind off all the stitches one by one. As I told you, I'm going to need a hook. In my case, I am using a 4mm hook because this goes well with the kind of yarn that I have. So how this binding off works is like this. So I'm going to start from here. First thing that I'm gonna do is take this stitch and put it on my hook. I'm gonna take this stitch on my hook. And now I'm going to start binding off. So here is a knit stitch. So I'm going to insert the hook, pull through, and pull through to the other one. Then I have another knit stitch again. So I'm going to work it as a knit stitch, pull through, and pull through the loop that you have on your hook. So here I have a purl, so I'm going to like purl it. So in the front, insert the hook and purl and then pull through. This actually is really nice. So knit and purl. Where you have the knit, you knit it, and where you have the purl, you purl it, just that at the end you get this through this one. And it is really nice. So yeah, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial and I hope this is a kind of binding off that will help you. Yeah, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!